This is a bushingfix.com installation video for the NA1 kit. You'll want to start by removing all of the old bushing. If you can't get it all out, that's okay, but most of it, you want it to look like this. It's better to take out too little than too much. You'll start by stacking the green cable end into the receiving cup with the bushing on top and the installation driver on top of that. And you'll use a vise to compress the bushing into the cable end. And if you don't have a vise, if you carefully set up the stack on the ground, you can step on it to drive the bushing into place. When you reinstall the cable ends back in the car, shift the car through the gears, and that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.